Welcome to Audio Shelf. Today we are going to learn English vocabulary part 12. Encompass. E-N-C-O-M-P-A-S-S. Encompass. Noun. Meaning surround and have or hold within. Synonyms: surround, enclose, ring. Antonyms: exclude, omit, leave out. Usage: this area of London encompasses Piccadilly to the north and St. James Park to the south. Next, ramifications. R-A-M-I-F-I-C-A-T-I-O-N-S. Ramifications. Noun. Meaning a complex or unwelcome consequence of an action or event. Synonyms: consequence, result, aftermath. Antonyms: incapability, ineffectiveness, impotence. Usage: any change is bound to have legal ramifications. Next, shuddering. S-H-U-D-D-E-R-I-N-G. Shuddering. Verb. Meaning tremble convulsively, typically as a result of fear or revulsion. Synonyms: shake, shiver, tremble. Antonyms: stable, steady, calm. Usage: she still shuddered at the thought of him. Next, efficacy. E-F-F-I-C-A-C-Y. Efficacy. Noun. Meaning the ability to produce a desired or intended result. Synonyms: effectiveness, success. Antonyms: inefficacy. Usage: there is little information on the efficacy of this treatment. Next, onus. O-N-U-S. Onus. Noun. Meaning something that is one's duty or responsibility. Synonyms: burden, responsibility, liability. Antonyms: advantage, aid, benefit. Usage: the onus is on you to show that you have suffered loss. Next, deplorable. D-E-P-L-O-R-A-B-L-E. Deplorable. Adjective. Meaning deserving strong condemnation, completely unacceptable. Synonyms: disgraceful, shameful, dishonorable. Antonyms: admirable. Usage: children living in deplorable conditions. Next, trauma. T-R-A-U-M-A. Trauma. Noun. Meaning physical injury. Synonyms: injury, damage, hurt. Antonyms: healing. Usage: rupture of the diaphragm caused by blunt trauma. Next, bout. B-O-U-T. Noun. Meaning a short period of intense activity of a specified kind. Synonyms: spell, period, time. Antonyms: stagnation, inaction, idleness. Usage: occasional bouts of strenuous exercise. Next, scourge. S-C-O-U-R-G-E. Scourge. Noun. Meaning a person or thing that causes great trouble or suffering. Synonyms: affliction, bane, curse. Antonyms: blessing, godsend. Usage: the scourge of mass unemployment. Next, unprecedented. U-N-P-R-E-C-E-D-E-N-T-E-D. Unprecedented. Adjective. Meaning never done or known before. Synonyms: unparalleled, unequaled, unmatched. Antonyms: normal, common. Usage: the government took the unprecedented step of releasing confidential correspondence. English vocabulary part 12 complete.